Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I could use your help. And let me tell you a little bit about it. And as you probably noticed lately, I haven't done a lot of radio reviews. Uh, Number one, I haven't gotten many radios in from vendors. I got two radios in from Iron Snow, which I did a review of. I want to thank him. And um, so I'm being kind of short. And then what I typically do is I have an Amazon store, and the proceeds from that store, which is just a commission, and you're dealing with Amazon. You're not dealing with me. You're dealing with Amazon. I use those proceeds to buy radios to review. Well, I did very good last year. In the beginning of this year, I did very good. And I was able to buy several radios to review during the year. Well, I've run out of commission, so I can't really buy any new radios. And I've got a couple of radios I'm interested in. Here's one. No, that's my Amazon store. Here's one that I've been interested in this radio for a while, but it is expensive. And I didn't see this radio until I have already used up all my commission from my Amazon store. So I wasn't able to buy it. And I kept waiting, my commissions build up over the year. Well, my commissions have been terrible. I mean, I get like $1 a day is all I get. And the commissions come from you going to my Amazon store and buying something. And you don't have to buy necessarily things that are in my store, because once you're there, I get credit for whatever you buy. I don't know who buys what, so I can't thank you directly. And that's how I use the commission I get from my Amazon store. Now, here's another video. But anyway, before I leave this one, I had not heard from Rectivus in almost a year. And they had been supporting my shows, providing me with radios to review. And I started digging through deleted emails, and I found one they sent me asking me if I wanted to review another radio. This was almost a year ago. Well, I thought, man, did I ever mess up? I better contact them. And I contacted them about a week ago, and I asked them if I could review one of their newer radios that I had missed because I didn't have the funds to buy it. And they said, sure. And so they're sending me this radio right here. Lots of features in this radio. I've been looking forward to reviewing this radio myself. So it's on its way. And I also asked them about this radio. This is another radio that I just missed. I didn't even know it was available. So I asked them for this one, and they said, we're not promoting that right now, so you'll have to wait till next year. So I thought, well, if I can get my commissions from my store up, I could just buy this radio. And it's got a 10% coupon right now. So that's what I'm hoping to do. But my Amazon store commissions are terrible. Now, here's my Amazon store. And you get to my Amazon store by, not there, by on all my recent shows numbers above 1,000 have the correct link. And there's the link right there. You click on that, and that takes you here. You're on Amazon. This is not my seat. This is Amazon. So you're dealing with Amazon. You're going to purchase them things from Amazon. You're going to pay Amazon, no extra charge. But if you go to that link and buy something, I get a small commission. The other thing that's hurting my commissions is they've dropped down the percentage of the commission you get. It used to be 4 to 5% on every item. Now it's like 2% on every item. So that have my commissions. But my commissions still are terrible. It's like $1 a day. Really bad. So here's my Amazon store. This page includes stuff that I also do reviews about other products. Like here's a USB holder. Um, see another one that's not. Yeah, there's some carpet cleaner. So this includes everything. These two include specific things about radios. There's 172 items in this one. There's 355 in this one. And this is the one you're looking at now that has all those. Well, here's one right here. One of these was sold after the gentleman or lady who bought it reviewed my video on his radio on Amazon. And so I got a small commission, got like a 2% of the sell price. So I really need your help. I know you're buying from Amazon a lot right now during the holiday season, but if you just take the time, let me go back to go to one of my recent videos, click on this link right here, and it will take you to my store, and it'll look similar to this, slightly different because I'm viewing it. I did get a silver award from my sales over the holidays last year. And my silver award's about to run out here. And right now, I'm not going to be able to achieve a silver award because my sales are just down in the toilet. But anyway, I'd appreciate it if you could help me out so we could I'd really like to order this radio right here. I don't know how I missed this radio, but I think this would be a good radio. And it's only $63 compared to this mammoth, which is $228 right now. So that's it. Sorry for the commercial-like show, but that's one of the reasons I haven't been reviewing any radios lately is because I didn't have any to review. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.